What is consciousness? I once wrote in a short story that we in essence are pure energy that created consciousness to experience reality. As a writer, I have no idea where that concept came from. It was a concept that produced a thought that I decided to put into physical form through the use of my fingers via the tapping of keys on my laptop. It was the movement caused by inbuilt mechanisms, powered by energy, enforced by the choice whether the above statement fits just the right level of bullcrap for the piece that I'm writing. Weirdly though, when I put that thought down, other seemingly related ideas tipped their hat for my attention. For example, if E equals mc squared, yes, we're going there. If E equals mc squared, that's the amount of energy that makes up matter in relation to the speed of light. And that pi, I told you, we're going there. And that pi, a number so large you actually need an infinite sized universe for it to fit inside. And that human beings conceived and are governed by these universal fundamental laws. Well, isn't it fair to say by definition, consciousness is a type of eternal energized matter that comes after, in, and before the thought, before the concept, before the awareness, and so on and so forth? I don't know. Maybe it is just easy to say that consciousness is a type of energy that creates our reality. But maybe it isn't. Maybe it's all bullcrap, but that's for you, the conscious, to decide.